Requirements gathering is the foundation of any successful project. It's the process of understanding exactly what needs to be built by collecting detailed input from everyone involved. But why is this step so critical? Studies show that projects investing more in requirements gathering experience far fewer cost overruns and delays. Using requirements gathering tools like modern requirements for DevOps can empower your team to ensure project success. When teams skip or rush requirements phase, the risks multiply. Unclear goals, wasted resources, and even project failure. So, how do you get requirements gathering right? Let's break it down into 6 essential steps. First, identify your stakeholders. These are the people who will use, influence, or be affected by your project. Engaging them early through interviews or workshops ensures you capture every perspective. Next, choose the right elicitation techniques. Whether it's interviews, surveys, focus groups, or leveraging AI-powered tools, the goal is to gather as much relevant information as possible. Once you have the information, document everything clearly. Use user stories, business requirement documents, or specialized tools to keep everyone aligned and avoid confusion later. Then analyze and prioritize the requirements. Not all needs are equal, so techniques like the Moscow method or AI-driven analysis can help you focus on what matters most. After that, verify and validate your requirements. This means checking with stakeholders to confirm that what's documented truly reflects their needs and expectations. Finally, manage changes as the project evolves. Use version control and traceability tools to keep track of updates and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Mastering these 6 steps will help your team deliver projects that meet expectations, stay on budget, and keep stakeholders satisfied.